Hi guys, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and I just received in the mail the Cricut January 2019 Mystery Box, nicknamed Snowbird. And I thought, I did quickly open it, but I really haven't gone through the contents, and I thought I would do that with you. So inside, if you're not familiar, the Mystery Box is a box of goodies that are sold at a much discounted price than if you were to buy each item individually. But you don't always know what you're going to get. So this is what was in the January 2019 Cricut Mystery Box. It is 10 rolls, I believe, of permanent vinyl and 4 rolls of transfer tape. So you get the premium vinyl. I think you can see this. Here we go. That's better, right? This one is a permanent brilliant premium vinyl in orange. You get a roll in, there we go, in silver. You get a roll of parchment. And this one is medium blue. This is gold. This is tomato red. Black. Maize yellow. Very exciting. And white. Oh, and there's one hiding in here, and that is dark red. And then you get 4 rolls of the Cricut transfer tape. And I believe it is the standard. I think there are 2 different stickiness, and this is all standard. So, so you get 4 rolls of this. Each roll, and I'm sure you probably have that question, this is 12 by 48. So the transfer tapes are 12 by 48, and the rolls of permanent vinyl are also 12 by 48. So that's 12 inches wide by 48 inches long, which is 4 feet of vinyl. So that's a pretty good value. And I believe that this box, and I have it linked below, was $39.99 for all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rolls of permanent Cricut vinyl and 4 rolls of Cricut transfer tape. So that's a great way to build your collection. I am new to Cricut, and I have no permanent vinyl, so this is perfect for me. And I believe at the time of this video that I'm posting this video that the box is still available. So I will link it up in the comments below, in the description below, and grab it before it's gone, because I know these mystery boxes go fast. So thanks for watching. My name is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com.